Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super exciting, the top 5 3D printers of 2026. Whether you're just starting out or you've been printing for years, 3D printing has come a long way. From multicolor masterpieces to ultra-fast precision prints, these machines can do it all. I've handpicked 5 of the best printers on the market right now, and I'll walk you through what makes each one unique, their strengths, weaknesses, and which one might be perfect for you. So, grab your coffee, check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals, and let's dive in. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus Combo. First up is the Creality K2 Plus Combo. Now this one is a beast when it comes to multicolor printing. It can handle up to 16 colors in a single print. That's right, 16. Imagine printing a detailed model of your favorite character fully colored without stopping to swap filaments. This printer isn't just about colors. It's also super fast, up to 600 millimeters per second, and has dual AI cameras. Personally, I love the AI cameras. I can literally check my print remotely and make sure nothing goes wrong. Plus, full auto leveling makes setup almost foolproof. And with a build volume of 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters, you can tackle some pretty large projects. It's basically screaming, bring me your biggest, most colorful models. Pros: multicolor printing, 16 colors, large build volume, dual AI monitoring, full auto leveling. Cons: higher price point, but you get what you pay for. Number 2. Creality K1 Max. Next, we have the Creality K1 Max. If speed and precision are your thing, this one's for you. It has smart AI functions, a core XY structure, and a build volume of 11.8 inches cubed, big enough for serious models. What really impressed me is its dual gear extruder. It keeps filament feeding consistent, which is perfect for long prints. And the max speed? 600 millimeters per second with crazy acceleration. This thing can churn out prints fast. It's perfect for pros or anyone needing large, detailed prints without compromising accuracy. The only downside is that the core XY setup might look intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Pros: fast, accurate printing, large build volume, smart AI features for easier operation. Cons: slightly bulky and might be overwhelming for beginners. Number 3. Creality K2. Next up is the Creality K2. This one is a solid all-rounder, quiet, reliable, and still packed with smart features. It also has an AI camera, full auto leveling, and a direct drive extruder, which is great if you like printing flexible filaments. One thing I love about this printer is how quiet it is. You could literally print in your living room without disturbing anyone. The build volume is a bit smaller than the K2 Plus at 260 by 260 by 260 millimeters, but for most projects, that's more than enough. Pros: quiet operation, smart AI monitoring, direct drive extruder. Cons: smaller build volume than the K2 Plus. Number 4. QIDI Q2 2025 upgrade. Next up, the QIDI Q2 2025 upgrade. If you care about safety and precision, this is a fantastic option. It has an enclosed chamber that heats up to 65 degrees Celsius, perfect for tricky filaments like ABS. It also features ultra air filtration, so no weird plastic smells while printing. And yes, it prints fast too. 600 millimeters per second with AI camera monitoring and full auto leveling. Honestly, this printer feels like it was designed for both beginners and experts. The interface is intuitive, but the hardware is robust enough for serious projects. Pros: safe, enclosed printing environment, ultra air filtration, accurate, fast prints. Cons: smaller build volume and slightly premium pricing. Number 5. Creality K2 Pro Combo. Finally, we have the Creality K2 Pro Combo. Think of this as the big brother of the K2. Fully assembled, auto leveling, and capable of multicolor printing. I love that it comes ready to go out of the box. No fiddling with assembly or calibration. Dual AI cameras make monitoring prints easy. And with a 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter build volume, it's perfect for hobbyists and pros alike. If you want multicolor prints with minimal setup stress, this is a strong contender. Pros: multicolor printing, dual AI monitoring, fully assembled, ready to print. Cons, some learning curve with advanced features. Alright, that wraps up our top 5 3D printers of 2026. I hope this guide helped you figure out which 3D printer fits your needs, whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or pro looking to speed up your workflow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. And I'd love to hear from you. Which 3D printer would you choose and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.